Today class is task-based class. I will give you two tasks. First task will be for T test and second task is about ANOVA. You will search each and everything. You will find sample data. You will perform analysis. You will save results and you will save plots. So note your task. If you have any question or any confusion or any error during your task or during analysis, you can share your screen. So your first task is T test. So you need to find the answer of this question. First, you need to find what is T test. What is T test? Second question which you need to find, why do we perform? Why do we perform T test? Question number 3, types of T test. And question number 4, sample data table for T test in Excel sheet. So first you need to ask the question, first 3 questions, solve these 3 questions, read and understand, and then get sample data for each type of T test, and then perform T test, and save results in Word file, publication ready table, and also save plots for each type of T test. It should also be publication ready. Publication ready plots for T test. So it is your task. If you have any question, confusion, you can discuss. If clear, type clear and start your task. After completion, you will send me a result in the form of Word file, and you will send me plots in PNG 1200 dpi. If clear, type clear. If you have any question, you can ask. You have 25 minutes for this task. If clear, please type clear. If you have any question, you can ask a question and start your task. Okay. Other participant, please also confirm. It is the same process as you already have done for descriptive statistics. First, you need to ask these questions from ChatGPT and then get sample data in the form of Excel sheet, and then perform analysis by taking str, provide to ChatGPT and give you a task. ChatGPT will give you script, copy and run in Python. It will give you response, or it will give you results in the form of PNG or in Word file. Okay, no, please, your time started. You have 25 minutes for this task. Then I will give you second task. Okay, please start. Please share again. Please show me where is issue. Yes, my cloud.
Thank you. I'm facing issue like I am in my working directly. I am replacing the name with CFD.
Okay.
My screen is visible to you.
Yes.
Yeah,
No.
yeah. When I go for yeah, when I'm going to run this, like I'm going to run it, I import package.
Panda SPD.
Yeah, and I write pd.read. Now I am going to check the name of that directory, that is cfdxx. That is when I put here and run. Oh,
It's
previously it
working.
was not, it was causing issue. I checked it
Maybe
3 times.
maybe
Yeah, you can see.
show me your previous script. Where is
Yeah,
issue?
I'm just, maybe I have not saved that one. Okay, let me check
I think you
that
have not
side.
saved your name, file name.
Maybe that's the issue. Okay, that's fine now.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Okay, please all participant confirm. Have you done T test? No, your time is sent. Now I'm going to give you next task. So please all participants first confirm me. Have you done? If you have done, type done within Zoom chat. Many participants already have sent results and plots within group. So I just need confirmation. Please type done within Zoom chat so that I give you next task. Your next task is ANOVA. Next task is ANOVA. So now you will ask question for ANOVA. Replace t-test with ANOVA. Your first question will be, what is ANOVA? What is ANOVA? Second is, why do we perform ANOVA? Types of ANOVA and sample data for ANOVA. And you need to perform same step for ANOVA. Okay, now please start your task and share your results within group. Now you can use your own data for ANOVA. Okay, now please all participants start second task about ANOVA and perform same analysis and share your result within group.